Today's video is a pocket options strategy that is called the 5-second hack. Why they call it a 5-second hack? I'm going to show you. Ultimately, this is a very simple but extremely effective trading strategy that people have been using on pocket options and have been quite successful with it. Some would say that a 55 to 60% winning percentage is good. And that's probably where the average is on the growth accounts. Now, some do have accounts that have blown up and they've lost everything. And unfortunately, that comes with probably some patience, some lack of patience, I should say, and a lack of strategy and composure. And if you're going to trade with pocket options, you want to be in the right frame of mind. So if you're stressed for the day, if you're rushed or hurried, if you're just not feeling well, I would suggest skipping the day, the morning, whatever that might be, and just waiting for another day when you feel better or rested and all that stuff. Okay, so just be mindful of how you're feeling before you get trading, because you can get into revenge trading real quick. Revenge trading is when you start to lose a few trades and then you start to up the ante a little bit too much and you lose some more. You could blow up your account. So get yourself a strategy that has a stop loss, 20%, 25%. If you have a $1,000 account and you lose $250 in that session, call it a day and move on. All right. But today, what we're going to talk about is a 5-second strategy. Okay. So appreciate you stopping by. Before I get started though, head on over to my Telegram group. I'll have the link in the description. You can join the Telegram group where I have others like yourself who are looking for strategies and are looking for ways to win inside of pocket options and grow their account. All right. So you'll find some other people that are like-minded like us, who want to have different strategies and who want to show how they're improving and gaining in their pocket options journey. All right. So without further ado, appreciate you stopping by and checking out this video. And so let's get started. All right. On the main pocket options interface, what we're going to do first is we're going to choose our candle and our time frame. So up here on the left, we're going to choose candles, regular candles, and we're going to choose the 30-second time frame, not the minute, not the 15, 30 seconds. And what this means is that every single candle represents 30 seconds in time. All right, you want to make sure that you enable your timer here because we want to see this number right here counting up and down. All right. The second thing we want to do is we want to put in our duration. This is the amount of time to which pocket options is going to hold open your trade and then close it. So S5 is for 5 seconds, 15, 30, minute 1, minute 3, minute 5, hour 1, hour 4. All right, you got that? We are going to be operating under a 5-second time frame. Okay, so we're good. We got candles, 30-second time frame, which is our candles, and then how long the trade is going to be open for. Now, what we want to do, as you can see, there are no other things on the trading window. We don't have the oscillators. We don't have the RSI. We don't need any of that right now. We only have a couple of rules. The first rule is you want to make sure that you have a strong candle. So see this right here? See this candle? We want to make sure that we have a strong candle. Not little wicks like this or like this. A strong body candle. Okay, we want to make sure that we have that first and foremost. The other thing is that we want to make sure that we are on 92% payouts. All right. So go ahead and load up a bunch of these 92% payouts because we are going to sift through the charts to make sure that we find the best setups possible. All right, so there we go. I just loaded up a bunch of 92s, and we are going to start on the left here. So here, look at this. So this is a really good setup. We have strong candles, strong thick candles, all right? Little wicks, all right? And they're moving pretty good. This is gonna move quickly, okay? When you find the right setup, when you find strong previous candle or two, okay? So in this instance right here, we have 3 strong candles, and then we are gonna trade after we find these strong candles. So let's go ahead and look at this one right here. So here we have strong candle, strong candle. The goal is to make sure that the previous candle is strong. Okay, that's rule number 1. Rule number 2 is that if the next candle that you're going to trade on is flipping and flopping, if the next candle is looking like this one right here, see this one right here? We do not want to trade this. We do not want to trade flip-flop candles. This is going sideways. It is indecisive. Move on to another chart. Okay, so let's move on to another chart. Here we go. Too small. I don't want to deal with that. That is too indecisive. Here we go. These are large body candles, okay, which means there's a lot of volume here, and this is going to move very well. So what is the goal here with the 5-second hack, this 5-second binary options strategy? Again, 30-second candles, 5-second timer. The goal here is to buy or sell within 5 seconds of the 30-second candle. Okay, so what that means is, I'm going to show you right here. Let's find one that have nice large bodies. So we have nice large bodies here. Okay, this is moving up or down, and we're going to buy it at the 25-second mark. So it's a 30-second candle. It'll start counting down at 30. We're going to buy it at 25 in the direction, the color to which it started. All right. So first rule, large body candles. Second rule, do not buy on this type of candle right here. We're not buying this candle right here. This is wishy-washy, back and forth, not happening. We're moving on to another chart. What we want to buy is we want to buy on thick candles like this. So we're going to go ahead and watch this right now. We're going to give this a shot. We're going to try our first trade, okay? Again, if you are first starting out with a new strategy, I recommend coming up here, clicking on this, launching your demo account, and trading on your demo account so you can perfect this 5-second on the 30-second. So this is a 30-second. We got candles. We got the timer enabled. We got 5 seconds, okay? Go ahead and trade on the demo account first so you can get comfortable with it, all right? Okay, so now I'm back on the real account. I got my 30 candles, 30 seconds, got my timer enabled, 5 seconds. I'm starting with just some small amounts so that we can just do this for the purpose of the video. So let's scroll through here and let's find some nice large bodied wicks. Okay, here we go. Let's give this a shot. Large body, red, green. Rule number 3. If it is red then green or green then red, just leave it alone. Just leave it alone. If you wanted to trade, starts red, goes green, buy it red. So whatever the color starts, that's what you're buying. Okay? So let's find some candles here. So this was red, green. I'm not going to bother with that one. Again, we want to make sure that we are taking our time. We don't need to rush through this. We have lots of candles. We have lots of charts to look at. We're going to give this a shot right here. As long as this doesn't become indecisive with a really long wick, then we're going to move on. So let's see. We got 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't like this candle. It is very indecisive. It is all over the place. We are moving on. Okay, we got large body candles here. 3 good ones. So again, like I said previously, make sure we got some good body candles to start. We are going to buy this candle, whichever color it starts out at, red or green. We're going to buy this candle and we're going to buy at the 25-second mark. Okay, so it's red, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, buying. So we're going to buy this on the way down for 5 seconds, and that was a loss. So the first one was a loss, but that's okay, because what I like to show you here then is now, what are you going to do when you have a loss? So we want to manage our investments, and we don't want to, I mean, we can just bet the same amount every time. But what I like to do is I like to go up in, so in this instance, this is going to be, it's a $2 bet. I'm going to go up 33%, so it's 66 cents, so 266. And we're going to go ahead and bet this again. So we got a large body candle here, another large body candle here, and let's see, go. So we're green, red, indecisive. But you know what? Let's give this a shot. Remember what I told you? It was red, green, red. We're going to buy this one down, and that's a win. Okay, so we are 1 loss, 1 win with this strategy. And with this, what I do is I go back here and I reset. Okay, go ahead and reset that. Let's find another chart that is going to work for us. We don't like that chart. Too many wicks. Okay, here's some large body candles here. Let's see this. So we got a large body, large body, large body. And let's see how this one is going to play out. Again, we have nothing else on our charts. We are simply looking for large body candles, waiting for that 25 seconds, picking that color to which we are going to trade. So we're red, 29, 28, 27, 25, red. I'm going to let this do its thing, and okay, that's a loss, so we're going to do the same thing, 66, and we're going to find another chart. So the good thing about this is that it is a quick moving trading time window. And so you're going to be trading very quickly. So this was green, 25. We're going to buy this one up. And we're just going to 2, 1, and that was a win. There we go. So we're going to go ahead and reset this now back to $2. And we're going to look for another chart. So far we are 50%. We're 2 for 2. Remember what I said earlier about 60% or so? If you're more than 60% in your session or in your day, you are going to have a growing account. If you are at 70%, you are above average. If you are in the 80 percentile, that is an elite group of people, and I applaud you if you are in that realm. My goal here is to show you strategies that hopefully can hold on to that 60-70% win ratio. If you check out my previous video that I put, that was an 89% trading day that I had. Okay, so this one started out red. We're gonna buy this one. Oh, I got in that one way too late. But yeah, got in that one way too late. So we're gonna make this 66 again. Sorry about that. Again, I was talking, wasn't paying attention. Again, don't rush. There's no need to rush this. So we got some large green candles here with some big wicks, but these are big body candles. Let's see how this does here. We are going to, so we're green, 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 29, 28, 25. And we're going to buy this one. 2, 1, and that's a win. All right, so we're going to reset this back to $2. Let's keep this going. And our account balance has been going up just a little bit, which is fine. We like it to go up. We want it to continue to go up, so that's key. We're going to find a nice new setup here. And we're going to keep looking through all these charts. Make sure you're on the 92 Check it here, 92. Okay, we got some good green bodies here. Nice strong candles. And what are we gonna do here? So we're red, green, 26, 25, and buy that. So remember what I said earlier, rule number, again, the wishy-washy rule you want to be careful of. And, we just had another loss there. But like I said, red, green, you want to buy red, but that's really risky, really risky. So what I said earlier with rule number 1 and rule number 2 is we want to make sure that we have large body candles. That was green, red, see, indecisive, moving on. Again, we are moving on if it is indecisive. We do not want to hang out, wait around for that candle to lose. And we don't want to jump in and rush in. So let's see what we got here. Let's find a nice candle here. Here we go. So we got a pretty good green, pretty good red, and another nice big green candle here. So let's see what happens here. We're gonna go red, green, 6, 25, and we're gonna buy that one up. And that is a loss. So we are going to add 33% to this again. So we are going to bring this up to, 3, 6, 30. We're gonna make this 350. We're gonna wait for this one. We're gonna stay on the same chart. I'm really liking these green candles. That is at 7, 6, 5. There we go. Oh, I got in that a little too early. My apologies. 2, 1, and that's a loss. And we're gonna go ahead and we are going to make this $5. And when I have 2 losses on one chart, I'm moving charts. So let's just get out of that chart and let's move to another chart. Here we go. Some nice big bodies here. And we're going to wait for this one. Next candle starts in 2, 1, and it's red. 29, 28, 27, 26, 25. We're going to buy that one down. And that was a win. We're going to reset back to $2. And we're going to look for another chart. I don't want to get caught. Okay, let's see how this one goes. So we got some big green candles. We got a big push here. Let's see what this comes in at. So red or green, and we're red. 7, 6, and 25. And we're going to hit that. And that is a loss. So we're going to add, like I said, our 66 here. And we're going to look for a new setup. That one was red to start. Let's give this one a shot. Oh, just dipped down. Make this 350. Let's find another one. And there's another win. Okay, guys, I know that I, showed you a whole bunch of trades, and I just sped through the video there to show you a bunch of trades. Anyways, in the grand scheme of things, we did come out with a profit, small profit at that, but it was profitable nonetheless. And so hopefully this strategy has allowed you to see that something so simple like this, again, once you take more time to perfect it, you can watch the candles, get a better idea of which charts to be on, okay? Because again, you don't want to rush this. This is risky, but very, very profitable in the long run. A lot of people have done very well with this strategy. And so I wanted to show it to you and my team so that you guys can see what this 5-second hack looks like. Again, in the long run, if you are about a 60% winning strategy, then you will have a winning account. Yes, we can see all these videos that say 90% success rate. All of these guys, yes, it can be in that moment. But every single day is not going to be like that. And I hope this video shows that in real life, again, I am not perfect at trading. I am not great at trading. I am good enough to grow my account and share the knowledge with those who want to grow as well. Build a community, show people that this opportunity is out there for us to try and earn more money than just our day-to-day lives. So with all that being said, appreciate you stopping by. Like and subscribe to the channel, and check out the Telegram group. Check out my other videos on pocket options as well. I go into detail about how to work pocket options, what the interface is like, all that good stuff. But hopefully you've got some knowledge from this 5-second strategy that you can earn. Leave comments below. I want to hear if it's working for you. Jump over the Telegram group, share your screenshots, and let's win together. Okay, that's it for today. Appreciate you stopping by. Have yourself a great day.